A hungry leopard spotted a porcupine walking slowly through the tall grass. To the powerful predator, it looked like an easy meal. The leopard crept closer and closer, preparing for the perfect attack. Suddenly it launched forward with incredible speed, but the porcupine instantly raised its sharp quills in defense. One wrong move could leave the leopard badly injured. Realizing the danger, the big cat quickly backed away, because sometimes even the best hunters pick the wrong target. Subscribe for more wild predator battles.